Hello there, this is Old Noob. Today we're going to eat Filipino Christmas food and, and I hope the camera can do justice to the colors of Christmas Filipino food, Filipino Christmas food. And this one is called Puto Bumbong. And this is uh this is purple. This is colored ube colored rice. I don't know the English term for it, but it's called puto bongbong. This one is called puto bongbong. I don't know the English term for this one. This is called puto bongbong. There. I don't know if what it is made of. You know, you can go research it on Google. And this one, this is bibingka. This is bibingka, the yellow one. So you have uh, yellow and purple food. The camera doesn't do justice to how beautiful the colors of these Filipino Christmas foods are. There, there you go. I like a lot of coconut, shredded coconut uh, on my bibingka and puto bongbong. That's why it's covered already, you know. It's not good for the camera, but it's definitely good for the taste buds, you know, because more shredded coconut on your bibingka and puto bongbong, more flavorful it is. Okay, so let's try to taste this one. There, we're going to taste this one. Let's start with the puto bongbong first. It's very sticky. I think it's made of sticky rice. I'm not sure if it's made of sticky rice, you know, but it's very sticky right there. There. And you dip it, cover it with shredded coconut and brown sugar. That's how that's how I eat this. Some eat this with condensed milk and cheese. Me, I prefer the shredded coconut and sugar on it. So let's give it a try, you know. Mm, it's really good. Really good. I also added more margarine on top. So I added margarine, more shredded coconut, and brown sugar. Let's now try the bibingka because it's malagkit or it's sticky. It makes you full easily, you know. it makes you uh, less hungry. It makes you full easily. It means it makes your stomach full easily, you know. Let's add more shredded coconut to the bibingka. Shredded coconut is always good. More shredded coconut there. Mm, that's good. That's good. Here you can see the bibingka. It's kind of charred on top because how they cook it is this: they place charcoal on top of the bibingka. I mean, there's a metal plate on top first, and then they place the charcoal. Mm. This one, I bought coconut and I let the vendor shred it. So I bought a fresh coconut, and you can ask it. You can ask the vendor, the seller in the market, to shred the coconut for you. So there you go. There's the puto bumbong and bibingka, Filipino Christmas foods. Go and grab some for you and your family. I'll eat this later. I'll eat this